Please introduce yourself.
Good day, I am Cheryl Jumawan, 29 years old, and I am recently residing at 7A Ilaya Street, Alabang, Muntinlupa City.
Okay.
And I am a married woman and I have 4 children.
4 children. So how old is your eldest?
8 years old
And then
and 5 years old,
And then?
4 years old, and
And
1 year old.
1 year old. Who will be the one who take care of your kids while you work in Hong Kong, just in case?
My husband, ma'am. My
Okay.
husband, my mother, and my relatives.
Okay. Applying as a domestic helper is a very big task. You're doing a household chores as well taking care of kids. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am, I can do, and I will take care first the children.
Mm-hmm.
Then I will do also the other duties.
Okay. What will you do if your employer asks you not to take day off for a week or even for a month because they have important things to attend? Is it okay for you?
Yes, it's okay, and it's also favorable for me, so that instead of expending money outside.
Okay. Please tell us about your work experience.
As a mother of 4 children, I will taking care for them.
Mm-hmm.
I give food, I prepare food for them, and clean houses.
Okay. What else?
And I was also a good parent for them.
Okay, what about naughty little children? Do you have long patience taking care of them?
Yes, ma'am. I have also a very long patience to the naughty children. I am fun for children, and I know I take the risk.
You can take care of your employer's prospective employer's kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell us how can you take care of a newborn baby?
First, if the newborn baby cry, I will check the diaper if the diaper is wet, and then change it. And if the baby is feel hungry, I'm going to feed it. And if she feel bad, I'm going to check it and I'm going to report to his parent.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook, but a Filipino dishes. But I'm willing also to learn how to cook Canton Chinese food.
Okay.
If my employer can teach me.
Okay. Is this your first time to work in Hong Kong or any country abroad?
Yes, ma'am. It's my first time to apply abroad.
Okay. Can you sing a simple song for a little children?
Yes, ma'am. I can sing. I have 2 hands, twinkle, twinkle.
Can you sing for your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
How I wonder what you are. Okay. Any other children's song?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right.
Hold them up high. So, any other song that you can finish?
No.
So you better learn more
Yes,
children's song.
I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn the Cantonese languages so that we can understand to my employer and the other member of the families.
Yes, especially the old ones. Okay. Is it possible there's an old man or old woman, maybe sick or bedridden, living with your employer? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Okay. Do you know what is domestic helper means?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Domestic helper means do all the jobs in the houses,
Mm-hmm.
clean the house,
Mm-hmm.
and take care of babies or children,
Mm-hmm.
and do the responsibilities of in the house.
Okay. What will you do if the two kids fighting in front of you?
Uh, I will talk to them they that they will not do that because they are bad, and then try to explain for them in a nice way, and try to
Make them friends.
make them peace.
Yes, much better. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
uh, I want to go there, ma'am, to work, and especially to earn money for the future of my children,
Mm-hmm.
and also with me.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else, your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am. What would I say to my employer? If you going to accept my application,
Mm-hmm.
I promising you that I will give you best I can to render my services with you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please tell something about your personality?
Um, I am also a hardworking, long patient, and cooperate, um, obedient,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe humble.
Okay. Can you promise to your prospective employer that you can finish your 2 years contract without doing any trouble?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing to
Okay.
finish my contract, and I promise I'm going to behave with them.
Can you promise to follow all the rules and regulation that told you by your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.